Hey there, looking to create your own custom bot in character.ai? Well, you are in the right place. So simply head over to this website and you can sign up if you don't already have an account. And if you do, just click on the login button so we can continue. I'm gonna continue with Google because I have my account there. Once you're logged in, you will be redirected back to this page where you will click on the create button and then select create a character. And here you can give it a name, a greeting, and you can select this option which is toggle image generation. So let's go by them in the sequence. First thing we need to do is give it a name. I'm gonna call my character Alan, and for the greeting you could say anything. And here we have a simple and nice greeting. Hey there, I'm Alan, it's nice to meet you. You could put anything here you would like your character to say. For example, hello, I'm Albert Einstein, as that is an example text provided by the website themselves. And there we have an option for toggle image generation, meaning the character can generate images alongside text. You can enable this option if you want, but we don't want that, so I'm gonna disable that. And then we can also have visibility on our character, meaning if you want anyone to chat with your character, you can keep it public, but if you only want to do it for yourself, you can keep it private as well. Then you can upload an image for your character, or you can create one by text. Once you have given it a prompt, simply click on the create button, and then it will generate a nice avatar for you, which you can set by setting the avatar right now. And then you can click on the edit details button, and you can also see your avatar right here as it has been uploaded. And in the advanced settings, you can also add a short description, meaning how you want the character to describe themselves, and you can also add a long description. You can also keep them empty if you would like. Then we have categories and character voice, which is important. If you want them to speak, then you can have a custom voice here which you can select. It could be anything. I'm gonna go with Isabella. And then you can have image generation for this character. And then we have something important here, which is definition, and we can define how the character will send the messages, meaning the basic structure. If we click on this button where it says insert example messages, then you can see there is some sort of parenthesis with character written inside and then the user. What basically this says is that this is how the character will be displayed, with the character name and then their message and then the user's name, and then I am the name of the character, and down there the user will be displaying your name, while hello will be your message. And now all we have to do is simply click on the save button here, and if we go back to homepage, you can find your character right here. And then if you open your character's chat, you can see that it says, hey there, I'm Alan, it's nice to meet you. You can send a message, and there, this is how you create a custom bot in character.ai. I really hope this video was helpful to you and you enjoyed watching it. Consider leaving a like and subscribe. Also, you should definitely check out this video. Thanks for watching.